Experiencing a house fire is overwhelming, and knowing what to do next is crucial. Hi, I'm Mendy with My Insurance Claim Expert, brought to you by Panther Public Adjusting. And today I'll guide you through the essential steps to take after a fire to protect your family, your house, and your finances. Your safety and that of your loved ones is the top priority. Once you're out of danger, call 911, report the fire, and even if the flames seem under control, a professional assessment is necessary to prevent reignition. Avoid re-entering the house until fire officials confirm it's safe. If your home is unlivable, contact family, friends, or a local relief organization such as the American Red Cross for temporary housing. Some homeowners insurance policies provide coverage for this under additional living expenses, so check with your insurance carrier and your policy to see if you have coverage. Even after the fire is out, lingering smoke and soot can pose serious health risks. These particles contain toxic chemicals that can cause respiratory issues and other long-term health risks. Do not stay in the house until it has been properly cleaned by professionals. If you need to enter to retrieve some belongings, make sure you wear a high-quality mask such as an N95 to reduce inhalation of harmful particles. Before cleanup begins, document everything. Take clear photos, take video from multiple angles. This is going to be essential for your insurance claim. If possible, make a list of all your damaged belongings and include their values. However, do not start cleaning the scene until your insurance carrier gives you permission to do so. Your insurance company is going to investigate and want to determine the cause of the fire. If you clean the scene before they complete their investigation, they may attempt to deny your claim. Navigating an insurance claim after a fire is complex, and small mistakes can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. That's why it's essential to contact a public adjuster for a free consultation as early as possible. At Panther Public Adjusting, we ensure your claim is handled properly from the start. We protect your rights, preserve crucial evidence, and negotiate to get you the maximum payout you deserve. A house fire is devastating, but you don't have to face the insurance process alone. If you need guidance and want to ensure a fair settlement, contact Panther Public Adjusting today for a free consultation. Let us help you rebuild with peace of mind.